There isn't one best place for a veil. I think, but this veil is too short maybe to have it high up. I think if you had a longer veil, it would look gorgeous high up. But let's imagine we're going to do this veil at the back. And what we're going to do here is, you could use your tail comb to help you, but you're not going to try and put the veil down, the comb kind of that way down. We're going to go that way into the style here. So just gently nudge and nudge and nudge. That's it. Now if you want to, you could use your tail comb if you feel it's not going in there properly, or you could just use your hair pin to help pull that hair down. Keep nudging. Just push back against me. That's it. Did that hurt then?
No, just one.
So it'll go in and you'll just find it'll just find its little place. And now, of course, we've got to make sure it stays there. To hold the veil in place, you're going to use a bobby pin along the side of that comb, going into the hair underneath and over the comb as well. Let me do that again for you. So you're going to go over the comb and into the hair. That's it. And let's do this side. Over the comb and into the hair underneath. Another thing you can do is get the little fine black hair pins. And you're going to go underneath. So I'm going into the veil and through the fabric of the veil. Obviously you need to, always ask your client if this is okay. And if it was a very expensive heirloom, you probably wouldn't do this. And you probably need to, maybe you'd position the veil at the front. But if it's going down at the back here like this, we need to make sure it doesn't slip down. So I've gone through the hair, through the veil. Here's the hairpin. You can see that pin there, just on Jennifer's hair, the contrast there. And then you're going to kind of come up a little bit. So there's the pin. I've lifted it up a little bit there. And I'm going to push it in and to the side. And then it holds that veil up, and that's not going to come out at all. Sorry, Jennifer, does it feel nice and secure?
Different, yeah. Wow.
And there. Jennifer, you've got veil in, you look gorgeous.